Welcome to Car Teck Unlocked, your gateway to elite automotive showcases. Today, we present the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, where royal comfort meets performance. From the moment it enters your view, the Mercedes-Maybach commands authority. The iconic vertical bar grille is finished in hand-polished chrome, flanked by digital light headlamps embedded with precision-cut Swarovski crystals. The Maybach emblem above the grille glows subtly, signaling a vehicle engineered for those who expect nothing short of the extraordinary. At the rear, the Maybach silhouette flows with the grace of a yacht and the symmetry of a sculpture. Its wraparound LED tail lights form a continuous visual line, while the dual chrome exhausts sit beneath a perfectly integrated bumper. The Maybach badge rests confidently on the trunk lid, a mark of handcrafted luxury and restrained power. Stretching almost 18 feet in length, this extended wheelbase S-Class wears its proportions like a tailored tuxedo. The two-tone paintwork, with its hand-applied pinstripe separator, enhances the profile's natural fluidity. The chrome window surrounds and Maybach-specific monoblock wheels complete the look, a side profile made not to impress, but to reign. As the soft-close rear door glides open, you're welcomed by illuminated Maybach sills, walnut veneer inlays, and leatherwork that rivals bespoke Italian furnishings. The cabin doesn't just invite you in, it isolates you from the outside world. Step in, and you step into a sanctuary of light, craftsmanship, and silence. Inside the cockpit, the MBUX Hyperscreen stretches from pillar to pillar, delivering infotainment, navigation, and control through AI-driven interfaces. Diamond-quilted Napa leather surrounds you, while crystal-finished turbine vents circulate ionized air. It's a space where technology disappears into elegance, and every fingertip interaction feels like silk. In the rear, the Maybach becomes a private jet on wheels. Reclining executive seats with calf rests, active massage, and heated neck pillows await your command. Between them, a wood-trimmed fridge reveals silver-plated champagne flutes. Ambient lighting, tailored audio zones, and whisper-quiet ride quality make this more than travel, it's arrival. Each 20-inch monoblock wheel is machined, polished, and balanced to perfection. At the center, the self-riding Mercedes-Maybach logo remains upright at all times, a small but deliberate reminder of detail-driven design. Even at rest, these wheels speak of motion that's engineered, not rushed. Beneath the sculpted bonnet lies a 6.0-liter V12 Biturbo engine delivering over 600 horsepower with near-silent authority. Every engine is hand-built by a single technician, whose name is engraved on a Maybach plaque above the intake manifold. This isn't just power, it's personalized engineering at its finest. As it pulls into a Grand Hotel porte cochere, the Maybach's presence changes the tone of the moment. Valets pause, bellhops straighten. The door opens like a curtain on a private performance. In this world of luxury, few cars say I have arrived like a Mercedes-Maybach. At night, the Maybach glides silently through the city, its LED signature lights cutting through reflections of skyscrapers and neon skylines. The two-tone paintwork dances with ambient light, while the air suspension smooths even the smallest imperfections beneath its tires. This is not transportation, this is rolling prestige.